You know, this year might have been tough and it's Christmas time and you want to buy a lot of gifts. So, what do you do when money is tight? So, the kids are like, hello, hello. So, we know this time of the year, the kids are wanting to have presents to give to you, perhaps as mom, want to give to dad, or want to give to sister or brother, but money is really tight. So, what do you do? Okay, I have 5 amazing ideas that I'm going to share with you tonight that are nearly free. Okay, are you ready? Here is DIY number one. The first one is go over, just grab an old pair of like earrings right here. See my little trolls? Aren't they adorable? You can go like to the Dollar Tree or just get it from your own drawers, and you can make whatever you want. These right here are Christmas ornaments from my own box. So I took these, and then you can have the kids just color on them whatever they want. So, and I prefer like to maybe print a picture of the I love you hands and then just glue this on right there. So that was idea number one. And just wait, because the last one is going to be the best. I trust me, the best. So be sure and stay. The other idea is you can take pictures of the hand shapes for spelling out a name. So suppose the kid wants to give a gift to mom. And so she's going to make, are you ready for this? Number two, a bookmark. And you can do this by either tracing her hands on paper, or you can take pictures, or you can type it out with a font that you can download for free. So this is one example right here. Just having this, and then of course you can use just like packing tape to laminate it, or if you have that machine, go ahead and use that. Now I've actually taken pictures of hand shapes, so I might spell MOM with the hand and then just cut them out. It's been a treasured gift. That's absolutely a DIY. Amazing. Okay, here is number 3 of the DIY. Are you ready? Remember, the last one is going to be the best. Oh, yes. And it's absolutely free, and you will receive gifts as well. So take a picture of your loved one, okay? And you can go ahead and pose with your I love you with them. And then from there, I'll show you. I just printed it off right here, okay? And then you can, on your own, create like a puzzle marks, and then cut it out and just put it in an envelope, and that is a gift. I love it. And that will be a cherished gift that you can actually put the puzzle together as a team with the person that you give it to. Okay, here is another one. This is number 4 of the DIY gift ideas. Okay, this one right here is use any book, but I'm just going to show you this one for Christmas. Okay, right here we have The Night Before Christmas, and we're going to take this book now, and you can, with this book right here, get the flashcards. And remember, the last one, I'm going to show you how to get those for free. Okay, take flashcards, cut them out, and then when you see that word on the page, you can tape it in. And then at story time, when you're reading to someone young, you have that, and you can at least sign that one word to start picking up more signs. Okay, now the last one is my favorite, and this is our gift to you, and it is all done for you, and it is our ASL Christmas Challenge. Absolutely free, no charge. And this is where you go. This is it right here. So you can take a picture and see it and go back to it. It's ASL Christmas Challenge right here. Okay, and with this challenge, you are going to be receiving gifts, something special every day to challenge you to learn Christmas signs, Christmas songs, Christmas, there'll be a game, and the Christmas vocabulary, setting up sentences as well. And again, this is where you go right here. Be sure and sign up soon. And with this, there's also, when you go to the website, ASLTeachingResources.com, you'll be able to enter to win a $20 gift card as well. Okay, those are my 5. And just to quickly review here, you have your earrings, you have your puzzle that you cut out, you have your bookmark, and you have the freebie. All right, everybody, be sure and click those likes and leave a comment. Thank you, and visit us at ASLTeachingResources.com.